Hi, everyone. Over the last few years, Peter and me discovered that many projects somehow have some similarities with theater plays. Today, we want to share two distinct styles with you. Enjoy the show.
12 weeks, 40 features, a beautiful roadmap. Leadership is spoken, the dates are set in stone. I mean, what could possibly go wrong?
Nothing, probably. I mean, you talk to the teams, right? Oh, you did your own research. Okay. I mean, you're absolutely right. I think nothing can go wrong, and ChatGPT would never lie to you.
Velocity is through the roof after 3 weeks. The burn down chart, oh, it's poetry. I could cry. We are ahead of schedule. I think this project is different. I think because we are different.
80% done, and I must admit the UI looks great. But we all know the second 80% are usually the harder part. Did you integrate that legacy API? And have you talked to any stakeholders already?
Minor delays, totally normal. We'll make it up the next sprint. And I mean, the core logic is almost done. We just need to push through, and worst cases, we'll hire some more consultants. That always works, right?
Yeah, we actually would have a need. Oh, you already hired 10 consultants. That's what you meant. Do they at least know our tech stack? No, Java and JavaScript are not the same thing.
This is fine. We'll just cut some scope, work a weekend or 2 or 3. And QA was optional anyway, right? I mean, we just have, inspirational quote, show must go on, huh?
Well, the data screamed iceberg for several weeks already, but nobody wanted to hear it. And now you're forcing teams to work late shifts and weekends, while management is busy looking for the rescue boats.
The deadline is passed. The tragedy is complete. And can this stay between all of us here? The plan was flawed from day one, but we just didn't want to admit it.
That is the problem. Your plan was following a fixed script. And once we set the sails, you never even considered making any change. What if we were improvising a bit more?
Improvising. I mean, I cannot tell the stakeholders, now we'll improvise. I mean, they need to know when they can expect a delivery and what they can expect. It has always been like this.
Yes, I agree, but you don't need the perfect plan. You need an honest plan. Even, or maybe especially, if your stakeholders do not like what they see on this plan. So otherwise, you're running full speed, but with no direction.
So a plan is a compass, not a step-by-step instruction. You don't need to abandon the vision, you have to adjust the path. But how would I know when to adjust the plan?
You already have all the data available. You just must accept that this is your reality. Just look at it, visualize it, analyze it, and most importantly, act on it. Inspection without adaptation is pointless.
Yes, and what? Radical now. What if the stakeholders in the room, not only at the end, but at the beginning and the middle, and we look with them at the data? Radical, huh?
Yes, and there will always be small fires, no matter how well you plan. Ignore the smoke and you quickly have a dumpster fire. It will take a lot of effort to control and will leave a huge mess. On the other hand, what if you embrace whatever is happening? If you're flexible enough, don't laugh, we don't have time. If you're flexible enough, then you can always react and it will lead to a better outcome.
A fixed plan follows the map of the cliff. We all write this beautiful fiction and then from day one start defending it. Let's stop writing fiction, let's look at the data and then have honest conversations with our stakeholders. We are Benji and Peter, and this has been our planning theater.